Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So in this video I'm gonna bust an immigration scam, as you can see on your screen, in the name of fake Canadian job offer. So basically in this, what happens, like, there was a different uh, process going in the background, and this guy introduced himself as an attorney with Canadian High Commission India. Wow, does it really make sense? It doesn't. I mean, he said that he represented the Canadian High Commission in India, and he was there to process the visa. Have you ever heard like this? No. You do have ICCRC consultants, those who represent you to ICCRC. Have you seen anybody who comes forward from the side of ICCRC and sends you documents and asks you to fill and send back? Do they really have time to do that? No. I mean, how could you even think about it? But this scam goes in this way. See what happens. Like, if you see the email account, they have tried to go till the very end to deceive the person. See the email address, how it ends: international-ic-gc.ca. So some Canadian government's email address, they in like international.gc.ca. So of course they cannot get the same domain, so they have made a similar domain so that they can somehow deceive the innocent people. My subscribers um, email address was ending at Gmail, so I have blackened it out to protect. Now see this application guideline, what he has written: Citizenship and Immigration Canada. This guy doesn't know that it used to be called CIC, now this is called IRCC. Head VSC Center, New Delhi, Delhi, India. It's not like that. I'll show you at the end, like, instead it's very funny. They should know that VSC is like VFS and they have written New Delhi. Okay. Application guide outline provided in relative to the details received from your end and the Canadian Citizenship and Immigration Center. Wow. Starting your job employment. Hence, referral to process your visa application under assigned immigration attorney. Diplomatic presence applicants at the High Commission of Canada. Wow. The procedures for visa approval will therefore be initiated in compliance with the authorized regulations of the Canadian Home Office. Home Office? Home Office. It's like very funny. Home Office, like, you have this term for UK, now it's here. Wow. So this guy needs to do some homework before making such fake documents. For visa application procured through assigned immigration attorney representative. Now, observe one thing. Do you see this line that I just read of the Canadian Home Office for visa application procured through? Do you see the spacing between the words, how it has happened? Because he created this in a Word file, and while evenly distributing the margins, the words got spaced out. Really a great guy. Needs to learn some document tricks also. You have to provide the scanned copies of the required documents as follows. Okay. Passport photograph with white background. Copy of the contract letter, offer letter received from your employer. Medical certificate. You may choose to undergo a medical test on your appointment visit. Wow. So, medical test at a visa application center. Have you heard of this? This is like making me very laugh. Aadhaar card, PAN card, or any government recognized identity. International passport. Database copy. Marriage certificate if married. This is like a comedy show going on. Field work permit and visa application form. TRWP application form attached. So instead of attached, this guy has written attaches. Oh, word correction service of Word. Sometimes it does happen. Some different words appear. You are to fill the attached TRWP form and revert back with the required documents for immediate proceedings. All procedures will be overseen by your assigned immigration attorney and staffs. Wow. You will be assisted with necessary guides and instructions. And again, this guy has pasted this logo: Consulate and Diplomatic Section, High Commission of Canada. So he has made eye collision. Oh my god. So this guy will go there and on appointment and will go appear for the medicals at consulate. Wow, such a great service, but I have not heard of this service. Sorry guys, I cannot control my laugh. This is like too funny, whoever has made it. Absolutely funny. Anyway, guys, my intention was to save you guys. So protect yourself. There are too many scams. Thank you.